Alrighty, today I'm opening another one of these 25th anniversary Rarity collections from Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, this will be the second one. Got some decent ones in the other one. We'll see what happens. See what we get on this one. Alrighty. We got Artemis, the Magistus, Moon Maiden. Let me see, we got Eldlick, the Golden Lord. Oh, these are all cool. And you got Blackwind, Simoon, the Poison Wind. Nice. Prism one. Lava Golem. And the last one is Artifact Land Sea. I think I got this one already. But in a different finish. Yep. These are the cards I got today. Yeah, I like these packs, man. They like the finishes on them. Like the Prism one. Pretty cool. Yep. 25th anniversary Rarity collection.